Hello everyone, my name is Aisha Al-Naimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make car engine block. First of all, we will click Part, then we will click Right Plane, Sketch. We will draw two center lines. Here, and the angle should be 45 and the length should be 175. This line should be 275. Then we will draw lines. And we should make sure that these points are coincident. Then we will make sure that these lines are parallel. We will use smart dimensions to dimension this line, and it should be 165. We will use center point arc to draw half a circle, and we should dimension it to 50. We will use here trim entity, and we should trim this line. Then we should make sure that these lines are horizontal. We will dimension here this line to 165.10. Then we will draw a line to extrude it to 482. We will draw center line here and draw 3 circles, and this center line should be 292.10. We will draw 3 circles and make them equal, and the circles should be 127. We will extrude it to through all. We will draw circles. The big circle should be for constructions. We will make sure that these circles are equal, and it should be 152.60, and the constructions should be 183.90. Here we will draw 4 circles. First of all, we will dimension it to 25, but I will be changing it. We will draw center lines for mirror entities. We will mirror the circles, and here I redimensioned the circles. So here it is 20, and the distance between point to point is 55.50. I did the same steps. Then here I choose offset entries, and the dimension was 14.70, and I will select reverse, and here we have the entities, and here we will select cut extrude, and we will select whatever we want to cut extrude. So here we have the extruded cut. For here I will draw 2 lines and make sure the angle between them is 120. Make sure that the lines are connected. I will do the same step here. For here I will select that this face 1, and I will go to geometry, plane, and select this plane. We will select the midpoint. From here we will go here and select the features mirror to mirror. Then we will go for right plane and mirror these. We will edit it to make sure that it is the same. We will choose the same extrude cut to draw circles, to extrude cut it. We will dimension it to 9.25. Here I will make sure that it's mirrored all the same. But here I had a problem which I couldn't mirror it all, so I will draw one by one, make them equal and extrude it the same. I will choose the front plane, choose center line, and dimension point to point to 12.20. I will go to features, then select move and copy body. I will select the body I want, and I will select the center line to have a mirror of it. It should be like this, mirrored, and I want the to be 180 degree. Here you need to make sure about the degree you have, the rotation. And here we have our block. We will choose this face and select convert entities, and we will extrude it up to surface. We will choose the same face and offset entities, reverse. We will do lines and make sure that the lines, this line and this line are parallel. We will dimension it. We will use dimensions. Then here, after doing it, we need to extrude it to 25.40. We will choose reference geometry and axis. We will choose the line, and here we want to circular pattern. We will choose circular pattern. We will choose direction, the axis direction, and here we will select 2. And for the features and faces, we will select this. For here, I did not do the same whatever we did, so I need to do it again. Okay, after doing it, I selected the first face, right plane. I will draw lines. For here, we need to make sure that we have center line, because if we don't have center lines, we can't mirror whatever we had. We will dimension it. For here, as you can see, I can't select the line. So here I drew a center line. Then I could mirror the lines I did. Then I will go to extrude cut, offset from surface. I should choose, but here I did not extrude the same. So here is our extrude cut. So here we will do the fillet. We will choose these edges and fillet them, and here we will choose another edge and we will make them fillet, and here we will select the outer face and make them fillet. So this is our engine block. We will, from the back side also, we will fillet the body we had. And here is our engine block ready. Here, if you would like to change the background or the color as you want, this is the background, so you can select it easily or you can drag it. You can choose the colors, whatever colors you want, but make sure that you select the car engine block. Thank you.